Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of handheld gaming PCs like the ROG Ally, you know that battery life has always been one of the biggest challenges. Today we're taking a deep dive into an upcoming solution, hopefully, from JSAUX, their Ally Battery Mod Kit. Now let's talk about the expected installation. One of the biggest advantages of JSAUX Mod is its advertised ease of installation. Unlike the 74 watt-hour mod, which requires extensive disassembly and additional modifications, this kit is designed to be user-friendly and should take around 15 minutes to install. The process is fairly straightforward. First, the backplate of the ROG Ally needs to be removed, followed by carefully disconnecting the original battery. The new battery will be placed in position, ensuring everything is properly aligned. One key difference with this mod is that the new battery sits over top of the RAM. Some might be concerned about heat buildup, but JSAUX is including a stamped aluminum heat shield to help manage temperatures. The kit also features a replacement backplate designed to fit everything properly, ensuring a secure and clean fit once the installation is complete. Once installed, the backplate is reattached and the device is powered on, ready to benefit from the upgraded battery. Before we dive deeper, I just want to take a moment to say a huge thank you. We're now over 700 subscribers and that's absolutely amazing. The goal is to hit 1000 by the end of the year and I truly believe we can get that even sooner with your support. Now let's get back to it. Expected performance. Early testing suggests that this mod will obviously increase 50% of your battery life over the stock battery. Reddit user Kira980 also conducted some preliminary temperature tests and found out that the battery temperatures over time remain nearly identical to the stock battery. Around the 65-minute mark, the JSAUX battery mod and the stock battery exhibited almost the same thermal performance. While the battery does get warm and enters the temperature range where degradation could be a concern, it remains on par with the original battery. To ensure accurate results, Kira980 set up the temperature test by threading two probes through the USB-C port on the JSAUX RGB backplate. The Ally was put in turbo mode and plugged in using the stock charger. The system was given an hour to reach idle temperatures before launching Monster Hunter Wilds benchmark with the loop function enabled. Temperatures were recorded every 5 minutes as the benchmarks ran, with the data collection continuing until temperatures plateaued, usually around the 80-minute mark. One of the biggest advantages of the JSAUX mod is its ease of installation. It's expected to be plug and play. In contrast, the 74 watt-hour mod requires extensive disassembly, custom shielding and additional modifications to ensure proper fitment. If convenience is your priority, the JSAUX mod might be the better choice for you. When it comes down to weight and comfort, the JSAUX mod is likely to add a minimal amount, keeping the ROG Ally comfortable for an extended gaming session. Some users reported 699 grams of weight. The JSAUX battery mod with its included stamped aluminum heat shield aims to maintain stable temperatures and prevent overheating. So should you consider the JSAUX 60 watt-hour or potentially 65 watt-hour battery mod? If you're looking for a plug-and-play upgrade that extends the battery life without requiring major modifications, this could be a fantastic option. However, pricing will play a crucial role in its overall value. Currently, the well-known 74 watt-hour battery can be found for around $50. If JSAUX aims to price this mod competitively, but slightly at a premium, let's say in the $75 to $80 range, it could still be an interesting option. JSAUX already sells the RGB backplate separately for around $30. So if we assume that the battery by itself is priced similar, a total price of $79.99 would not be unreasonable. However, final pricings and details remain to be confirmed. Additionally, while current test models feature a 60 watt-hour battery, rumors suggest that the consumer version may come with a 65 watt-hour battery, which could make the deal even that tiny bit sweeter. Reddit user Kira980 has also done a post about a heat shield for the 74 watt-hour battery, and I'm interested in making one of myself. Would you guys be interested in a video like that? Let me know in the comments down below. And the best choice will come down to what you prioritize. Convenience and build quality versus maximum battery at a lower price point. Let me know in the comments down below which one you would go for, and as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more handheld gaming content. Bye bye.